Alright, make Mama proud. Max today got his first real vacuum from George and Thatcher. His very favorite toy from his visit there. And right now he's picking up the dust here to vacuum it up. And what did you say, Max? What are you going to vacuum up?
The dust.
Why?
Because I don't want to get allergies.
That was the first thing he said to me, all on his own. That's my boy. You seeing if it went in there? Did it go in there?
Yep.
Show everybody how you can take the little one off. Bud. Buddy. Be Bud.
Oh, yeah.
Show everyone how you can take off the little vacuum.
I want to.
You push that red button.
This one, Mommy.
Yeah, you push that and it comes off. See? Now he has a dust buster too. Oh, I'm getting a bum shot.
You getting a bump shot?
Hey, who do you know that likes to vacuum?
George and Father.
Yeah. Everyone's favorite toy. Go figure.